In today's video, I will walk you through how to print an invoice in QuickBooks Online. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once you're logged into your account, select Sales from the left-hand navigation panel. From the Sales section, go to the Invoices tab. The Invoices tab will display your list of invoices, including their statuses, due dates, and amounts. Find the invoice you want to print. If needed, use the search bar or filters to locate it. Once you find the invoice, look for the small downward-facing arrow next to it. Select the arrow to open the menu for that invoice. From the drop-down menu, select Print. QuickBooks will generate a PDF of the invoice and open it in your browser. Depending on your settings, the PDF may open in a new tab or window. If the PDF does not open, check for a pop-up blocker notification near the address bar and allow the site. Once the PDF is visible, you can either download it or print it immediately. To print the invoice, select the print icon in the PDF toolbar. This will open your system's print dialog. In the print dialog, select your printer. Then verify the page size and orientation. If needed, adjust the scaling so the invoice fits correctly on the page. If you want to keep a digital copy instead, select the Download button and save the PDF to your computer. This completes the process of printing an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.